The number of factors required for any event to materialize, to actualize, is actually infinite. So things then coalesce out of the field, like a cloud appears in the sky. Its design is not preset. Its potentiality to become a cloud isn't even there. It's not even a little cloud becoming a big cloud. It's a no cloud. Out of no cloudness arises. When a million factors are favorable, out of it coalesces, out of the field, comes into actuality within our domain. Therefore, there is no cause of anything. There is only everything fulfilling its karmic potential when the accumulated conditions reach a certain threshold. When the itch gets strong enough, you scratch it. But not before it's strong enough. And how come the mosquito bite got there? So to get an itchy mosquito bite, you see, it takes all of the entire universe throughout all of time. Is that clear? Nothing is caused by, it's such a simplistic, and I always say the example of simplicity is heliotropism, where the child says, why does the flower follow the sun? And the teacher says heliotropism, and the child says, oh, he doesn't know anything more than he knew before. And that's the principle of causality. Because nothing is causing anything, and therefore, creation and evolution are one and the same thing. Evolution is the sequential witnessing of creation, and creation is continuous, because creation is the continuous process of the potential becoming the actual. So creation is continuous and ongoing. You don't have to stand up every time. That's a fact, is it? Creation is continuous and ongoing because the presence of God, which is the powerful field out of which potentiality becomes actuality, is constantly present. The power of God, then, is the presence of a field so powerful that the unmanifest becomes manifest out of the unmanifest. Classically called out of the Godhead arises the unmanifest, in Christianity called Godhead, in Buddhism called the void. Out of seeming nothingness arises everything by virtue of the power of divine ordinance. Nothing has the power within itself to create its own existence. Even the most radical scientific reductionist is stuck to explain the existence of all the things discussed, including one's own thoughts.